Hey, welcome back guys. So I'm really excited for you guys to be here today because I'm sharing with you one of my most favorite cleansers ever. This is Atomy's Deep Pure Cleansing Oil, and the reason why it's one of my favorites is because it's everything that I've ever wanted in a cleanser, and the fact that it's oil based too is quite amazing because in the past I have used a few other brands, some quite expensive ones too, more than double the price of this one even, and they've really irritated my skin for whatever reason and also left me breaking out like crazy. So this one hydrates my face afterwards. Like, it leaves a really nice, moist feeling. It's amazing. And also, not only that, it doesn't leave like a greasy residue. So once you getting used to it and things like that, you actually start to feel the difference in your skin. Like, it actually leaves the skin feeling a little bit soft, which I love so much. And it's great on like heavy makeup removal and things like that, waterproof types of makeup, heavy foundation. This thing takes it all out. And not only that, this will clear out your blackheads and remove all that excess sebum if that's what you're kind of dealing with. So quite amazing. So I'm going to show you how to use this product, and if you guys want to hang out afterwards, you guys can check out some more information about this great product. So I'm going to get started. So what I do is I like to do 2 pumps, but depending on your skin and what your needs are, you might need 3, maybe just 1 to start off with. But what you do want to do is make sure you use this product with dry, clean hands, and make sure your face is also dry too. You don't want to mix this with water just yet, because when this product does mix with water, you're creating an emulsion. You do want to create an emulsion once you're done your cleansing process, but that's afterwards. So I'm going to show you how this works. So just get some pumped onto your hands. So there's 2 there for me. And I'll just kind of rub this around my hands and just massage it around my face. And so what you want to do is just make sure that your hand can actually glide around on your face without you really pulling or stretching your skin. You just want it to move around easily, just like that. And you'll feel a little bit nice and warm depending on how much you're rubbing, but you don't really need to rub it that hard. It's just more of a movement of my hands around my face, just getting the product around. Just like that. So I normally do this for about a minute, but I didn't put any makeup on today, so I don't really need to really cleanse for too long. So I'm just gonna start washing this off now. But if I did have something on, maybe like BB cream, or maybe I used a little bit of sunscreen or something and it just feels a little bit more dirty, I'll probably massage my skin for maybe about 2 minutes. But yeah, that's about good. And then so what you want to do is get some warm water onto your fingertips. Not too warm, maybe a little bit more on the cool side. So just get some water there. So what you'll see is when the water mixes with the oil, you're going to see a milky, like creamy white color, and that's what you want. You want that creamy, milky white color everywhere first before you rinse it all off. Just like this. And you see, it's a bit white there. That's what you want. So I've created the emulsion now. That's perfect. And then just rinse it all off. And then anytime you're drying your face, don't rub it like crazy. Just pat dry. Just like that. You want to take care of your skin. And that's it. So just make sure when you are cleansing your face, you're not using burning hot, scalding water, because that's one of the reasons why you don't really want to wash your face in the shower, because some people do tend to shower with burning hot water, which is actually really bad for your skin. So try some warm water, but a little bit more on the cool side, and that's actually a lot better for your skin. Your skin will be a lot happier that way. But anyways, if you guys want to hang out now for a little bit more, I'll share some more info about this amazing product. Thank you guys. Bye.